Once you bought your new home, the thought of getting settled in, decorating, and living in a new space is incredibly exciting. For most of us, it's a time filled with stress and anxiety. Packing might take longer than expected, movers could be running hours late, and you might forget to transfer utilities on time. However, if you start preparing weeks in advance, the day itself can be much more manageable. There are about 6 things to keep in mind before your move. 1. Schedule a mover. The good ones tend to book up fast. If you don't have one in mind, try asking friends or search online for reviews. Schedule a cleaning service to come after the movers unless you plan to tidy up the home yourself. Transfer your utilities to your new home. Don't cancel utilities for the previous home, as that will be a headache for the new owner. Some cable companies get booked up in advance, so consider scheduling early in your move process. Some find it easier to schedule cable installation for the day after the move. You will be very busy the day of the move, and your timing might be unpredictable. Get rid of things you don't plan to take with you. Sell items online or donate them. Gather packing materials, boxing, packing tape, bubble wrap, etc. Sometimes friends or local stores have extra boxes they can give you for free. Begin packing things you don't use often, like winter clothes or books. Try packing a few boxes a day or so before the move so it doesn't sneak up on you. The day before you move, label boxes to indicate which rooms in your new home a given item is going to. Consider putting stickers or masking tape on furniture to label where they should go. Have bottled water and snacks to help energize you and the movers on moving day. Also have some cash on hand to tip movers the next day. If you have a pet, consider dropping them off with a friend or family member the night before. That will help ensure they're safe and sound and not in the way or at risk of escaping on moving day. Put some essentials such as a change of clothes, toiletries, and medicine in an overnight bag. You may be too exhausted after the move and won't want to try digging through boxes to find those things. The day of the move, wake up far in advance of the mover's scheduled arrival time. If you have a car, consider putting breakable items, small valuables, and important documents in your car and transferring them yourself. Pack up or throw away last-minute items like toiletries or perishable food. Do a final walkthrough and look through all cabinets and drawers to make sure you have everything. Keep an eye on the movers to ensure your items are handled with care. And finally, when you arrive at the new home, label any rooms that correspond to the box labels that may not be obvious to movers. This helps ensure items go in the right place. If you found this helpful, please like and share this post. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them below or direct message me. Thank you.